Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to plan content on Canva. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to plan content on Canva. Maybe because there's any upcoming event and you want to create content on that, or maybe there's something special coming, you want to make sure that you create a lot of content for it, so you want a planner for that, or maybe there's any other reason for you. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, make sure you have already installed the Canva app and you have already created your account on it, and right now you're logged in with that account. So just simply tap on the icon of the Canva to open the app. Once it get open, you will see its interface. This is how the Canva app looks. We have options all over the screen. At the top, even at the middle and at the bottom, we have options. So here we have to click on these three lines, which is on the left top side of the screen. Once you click on it, you will see many different options. And from all these options, you could see this middle section which has four options. You just have to simply tap on this second option, which is content planner. Through this option we could easily make our planner for the content for any upcoming event. Simply click on it and there you will see the calendar will open. So in the calendar, as you can see, we have all the dates. So to create any planner, first we have to select a date on which there is a upcoming event. So for that we could make our content ready. Once you selected that date, then simply click on this plus icon and then click on event. Once you click on the event, here first it will ask you about giving a title to that event. Here you can add any kind of title to your event. For example, if there's any party upcoming, you can type party. If there's anything related to festivals like Christmas, so you can type Christmas, Easter, or maybe there's any upcoming social event, so you can also give a title according to it. You can give any kind of title according to what that event is, or whatever comes to your mind, you just can type it. In the description you can type about the detail of that title. For example, if Christmas is coming, so you can type about what you have to create and what is the theme in your mind for that Christmas, what kind of you want to create content and how much content you want to create. You can type whatever you want to type in the description, it's all up to you. Once you're done typing, what you have to do is you just have to simply click on this purple option which is below the description. Once you click on it, your content planner, or you could say your new event, will be added, and then you can plan your content and can create your content according to it. So just simply click on save and then the event will be saved. Now you will get to know about the event, when it is coming, how many days are left, so you can plan your content for that event. This was the easiest way I know through which you can plan your content on Canva. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also, make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.